On Instagram, you can go live for just your close friends. In this video, we'll show you how to go live on Instagram so only your close friends can see it. To do this, open the Instagram app. First, you'll need to set up your close friends group. Down here, you'll see your profile photo. Tap on it, and at the top, you'll notice 3 lines. Click those lines. When you do, you'll see the close friends option. Tap on close friends, and from there, you can pick whichever contacts you want. For example, I'm selecting this contact. If you want to search for someone, you can search here. After searching, you can choose that person from the list. Even if they're not in your contacts, you can still select them. For example, I'm picking this person who isn't my friend. Anyway, if you check your close friends list, you'll see 2 people, but for now, I'm only adding 1 person. After that, hit the Done button. In my close friends list, there's just 1 person for this tutorial. Sometimes, your close friends list might have 10, 20, or even 30 people. Anyway, go back, and to go live. Here's what you do: tap the plus button and select live. Or, at the top, you'll see another plus button. Click it and choose live. When you do that, you'll see an option for everyone. Tap that button, and you'll find the close friends option. Click on close friends. After that, only your close friends can view this live. To start the live, just hit the button, and you're live. Now, only your close friends can see it. That's how you easily go live on Instagram for just your close friends. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing. See you in the next video.